Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your Sandeep Kunivela. Recently, I did a short videos regarding fake websites. I wanted, even though short video have less views, even though we got tremendous response and we got many calls for the short videos. So, in the short videos, the voice is not clear, your tempo is too speed, we're unable to catch what you mean, what you are telling, we're unable to understand. The parents and students who they called, and also my friends also told me that, sir, short videos, information is very less. And my friends told me, Sandeep, in the short video, the content what you deliver is very valuable, but the parents and students can't able to follow your speed and the tempo in the video. Why don't you do the long video? On the demand, on the parents and students demand, I'm doing a long video on the fake domains or else coding domains. What is fake domains and coding domains? Parents and students, please do subscribe, share, like, and comment to our videos, and also follow our YouTube channel. As I told you in the short video, this video will reach to a number of students and the parents. Then only, whatever the content I am delivering, it will be is the required people and the people who were in need. Well, because the content what we are delivering was after doing research and we are doing the video on the content. Let's go into the video. As we discussed in the short video, cloning website. For example, what is cloning website? If you want to do MBBS in abroad, the consultant will clone the same website. For example, if you want to do MBBS in Russia, consider University of St. Petersburg University. The university website must be, if it is Russia, www.stpetersburguniversity.ru. Instead of that, if the university website is www.stpetersburguniversity.in or else www.stpetersburguniversity.com, then these websites are not genuine and university website. These websites are a fake website which is started by the consultants, unhelpful and the fake consultants. After seeing the websites, we believe it is a university and the virtual website, and we will go and approach and they'll bring you. Sometimes we keep invest huge on digital marketing, like SEO, keywords and everything. We invest huge on keywords and then we do SEO. For example, if we type St. Petersburg University, if we type St. Petersburg University, instead of the virtual website, the fake and plain website will come into the rank. Top list, searching in priority. Dear students and parents, be conscious while we are browsing videos abroad. Check the website domain, check the domain whether it's a fake or cloned. And moreover, the consultants also started Wikipedia pages for the website. They are also cloning the Wikipedia pages. So students and parents, this is our sincere request. Only the genuine consultants, not the consultants who were morphing or who were cloning. Before I was taking MBBS admission, beware of fake consultants. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video.